Hello Year 1, this is our last lesson looking at numbers from 1 to 100, and it's going to be a bit of journaling, maths journal, and there's a question at the top with lots of pictures here, and the question says, what is your favourite two-digit number and why? Now you might have lots of reasons, and on this picture we've got lots of two-digit numbers. We've got a 37, we've got 89, 40, there's another 40, there's another 40 and a 40. What's your favourite? Might be one of those, it might be another one. See if you can think of your favourite two-digit number. It might be the number of your house or your apartment. It might be the age of mummy or daddy. It might be the age of your grandparents. I don't know. What is your favourite number? Have a think. And then, can you find your favourite number in storybooks, around school or at home or in your neighbourhood? Perhaps you could see it on somebody's house. Perhaps you might see it on a bus. Have a look to see if you all, for a few days, see how many times you can see your favourite number. Then you can do a self-check. Can you count to 100? If you're not sure, have a go and then you could tick a box. You could write, I can count to 100. Can you count in 2s, 5s and 10s to 100? See if you can have a go. Can you read and write numbers to 100? That's quite tricky when we write our numbers. Don't forget to practice how to write our numbers in words. Can you say a number that is one more or one less than a two-digit number? So do you know what one more than 58 is? Do you know what one less than 73 is? And can you compare and arrange numbers within 100? It's all the things that we've been doing over the last week. When you've done that, today's work is called Revision 3. Now, this is what you'll see on Google Classroom, and it's lots of things that we've covered over the last week, all to do with numbers. So, can you write the correct number in the number frames or the part-hole diagrams? Do you know how many 10s and 1s there are there? Can you do these number patterns? Do you remember how we did those? Can you match the correct sentence or math sentence to the picture? Can you fill in the missing numbers? Can you write the missing numbers here by circling groups? Can you do some drawing and arrange? Can you write in the missing numbers? Always look at the picture. Can you do some shading of halves and quarters? Do you remember we did that as well? And then arranging numbers in the right order, and then can you fill in these numbers from 100 chart? It's part of 100 square. Have a go, give yourself time, have a little break in between because there's lots to do. See how much you can do and get someone to mark it for you at home. See how well you do, and that'll show you how much you've been able to understand of all of these different topics that we've been looking at. Well done.